Good morning, Pirates, and happy Friday to everybody, and happy December. It is December the 1st. We are in full effect. We are getting ready for some holidays. We still have a few weeks left of school before our break, and so we're going to do our best, and that includes today making sure to show up and learn. That is your job every single day, is to make sure that you are growing your brain and learning. So pretty interesting now. We're heading into some birthdays for December, but also we're going to be reading off some June birthdays because there's a lot of students that have birthdays in the summer months and we don't get a chance to mention them, and I think it would be great to mention those students as well. So we're going to go ahead and start off. We do have a birthday today. Zachary Height, he's in Mrs. Risk's class, 4th grader. He is turning 10 today. So happy birthday to you, Zachary. And then tomorrow we have 3 birthdays. Andrew Cobb, a 5th grader in Mrs. Griffin's class, is turning 11. Bonnie Ferreira in Mrs. Hand's class, 4th grader, turning 10. And also turning 10, a 4th grader in Mrs. Williamson's class, Journey Walker. So happy birthday to all 3 of you tomorrow. Sunday, we have 2 additional birthdays. Jason Cooley, a 5th grader in Mr. Farr's class, is turning 11. And Shiloh Stidham, a 3rd grader in Mrs. G's class, she's turning 9. And Shiloh, just want to let you know I do have your money for your cookies, okay? I just forgot to give it to you, but hopefully you'll get that today. Now, we do have some half birthdays to report. These would be on June the 3rd. We have 3 birthdays on June the 3rd. Chase Mashari, 5th grader in Mrs. Taylor's class, will be turning 11 in June. Hunter Mashari in Mrs. Anderson's class, a 5th grader, he'll also be turning 11 in June 3rd. And then also June 3rd, turning 9 in Mrs. Hartung's class is Harrison Kidd. So happy birthday, happy half birthday to the 3 of you. Whew, it's a lot of birthdays. So this whole month coming up, we are going to be talking about trusting the process. Trusting the process. Now, everything you do has a process to it. You growing has processes to it. And often you might be told to trust the process, especially when it comes to learning. If you're learning something new, especially like in math or maybe in science, and you're like, man, this seems really difficult, the teacher might ask you to just trust the process, trust the process. And, you know, it's easier said than done because progress a lot of times is very small, a little bit at a time. Some of you are getting better at reading, and so you're going through the process of becoming a better reader. And that can be tough because you might look around and notice other people might be getting it faster than you. And so we'll go through those things all month long, talking about how you can trust the process in times of doubt, how to stay patient, how to wait naturally for things to unfold, giving you some practical ways to stay calm, and empowering you to trust the process when times are tough. So that's what our focus is going to be all December long. I just want to give you a taste of that, and we'll hit that really hard starting on Monday. Today for lunch, we're having breaded mozzarella sticks, green beans, and orange smiles. On Monday, we have chicken fries for lunch. All right. It's going to be a great day today. Let's take a few seconds to focus on some breathing today. Big deep breath in through your nose. And hold it. And breathe it all out. Breathe in as much as you can. And hold it. And breathe out. Breathe in. And hold it. And breathe out. All right, everybody, I hope you have a fantastic Friday today. Don't forget, we're having our cruise today, so you'll be heading to your cruise, which will be a great time for you guys to hang out with other grades and, of course, your crew leader. Have a great day, and go Pirates.